We're in San Diego, California for the second annual Maritime Business and Technology Collaboration Summit and Exposition. For 2 days, attendees from around the world have gathered to hear about innovative technologies and organizations shaping the maritime business.
Marine technology has been a driver in economy worldwide. It's a proud legacy in what we do in the marine area that most people don't realize. There's a new model out there. It's the American inventor, back in vogue. You can do this without being Bell Laboratories or Grumman Aerospace. And there's a new market to create, but it's about strategic partnerships. If you have great ideas and you want to try stuff, come and see us. We love to experiment.
Many government, commercial, and research organizations are looking to increase ocean observation, but are often limited by the cost of deep water moorings or ship operations. Liquid Robotics, a Sunnyvale, California-based company, has developed an alternative, the Wave Glider. It's a hybrid sea surface and underwater vehicle comprised of a submerged glider attached via a tether to a surface float. The design facilitates mechanical conversion of wave energy into forward propulsion. With essentially endless movement, the Wave Glider carries solar-charged batteries to power the navigation, control, communications, and payload systems to make persistent observation possible in the most remote ocean locations.
That's kind of what's happening with the web, the power of the web now, is the ability for talented people to find each other, because if you put two talented people together, you get way more than twice the talent. Everybody realize that? That's why you have clusters. People in a room, the fact that you get them in the room to talk gets more results than the people maybe sharing things individually. So the ability of talented people to find each other is pretty powerful. The ability for them to feedback, and then here's the kicker, the ability for them to fuse each other's value. So for example, you know, I've got trucks moving on from Mike, and Dean gives me some ship moves, and Philippe gives me some bathymetry. Why can't I just go put that together on the fly, add the thing I care about, which is maybe my cruise ship locations or ports or offices, and immediately publish that out. So you can actually try that out. It's a free site. It's called arcgis.com, and you can find feedback and fuse on the fly.
So those of you who can get technology together that can investigate munitions disposal sites remotely, there's a business line for that. This is an emerging and continuing to emerge problem area, which, although reality, if any of you have been involved in that's not a real problem, frankly, leave it lie, you know. But the American public gets spun up when you say there are munitions at sea and you could be hurt. So there's been, I think, $5 million appropriation to Army in this regard, and there's more coming, because this is a problem that you think you could work on. It's the bad garbage in the sea. So autonomous vehicles that can be used for that purpose, get close enough to map them and take samples, have a real application.